New tonight, the bitter cold temperatures has meant a busy week for warming shelters. Repairers of the Breach has been open 24/7 for days, but they still found time to celebrate Christmas.
Outside isn't the place to be.
When it's dangerous to be outside for long,
Merry Christmas!
Repairers of the Breach will welcome you.
It has been one of the most challenging times, but it's been one of the most rewarding times.
The shelter had planned to be open from 11:30 to 1 Christmas Day to hand out warm meals and give gifts. But this Christmas, they've kept their doors open all day.
We've been going 24 hours straight every day to keep people safe and to keep people warm.
The shelter is at capacity, sending any overflow to the Red Cross warming room across the street. But even during the busy week,
We got a winner!
they felt it was important to still celebrate the holiday. There was a raffle for every group of 10 people, too.
For us to be there for them, to offer them some joy, some cheer, a gift. People that they've never seen, serving them, letting them know that we're here for you.
For people like Laquan Mills, it's a gesture that can be the start of a better year.
It makes me feel, you know what I'm saying, wanted, like, a part of them, It makes me feel like I'm at home, like family.
And Repairers of the Breach is always accepting donations. We have more information on fox6now.com. Just click on this story.